Hey, if you want to change your password on the Plus500 mobile application, first of all, you have to click on the left upper corner on the three lines, and from here you will have to navigate into the settings. Now select security settings, and from here go into the change password. And first of all, we have to input our current password right here. Next, if you input your current password, you'll have to go with the new password here and here. So we have to input the new password 2 times, and you have to also remember that the password that you are going to create, the new password, must contain at least 6 characters. And you cannot input like a really simple password, like for example this one, from 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at the same this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because you will get this notification that your password is too easy, and for security reason you have to use a little bit more complicated. And when you're changing your password, you can actually click right here to see this password, so you will be sure that everything is correct right here and right here. And after this, you will have to click submit in the left bottom corner. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.